If your door panel insulation is in need of replacement, you may have noticed more outside noise and temperature variations in your cabin. Fortunately, we've got you covered with the perfect reproduction replacement. I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by RESTOPARTS, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1978 to 88 G-body door panel insulation. Sold as a pair for your convenience, the door panel insulation reduces noise and controls the climate in your interior. Each insulation is made from quality jute, which is die cut to original dimensions, including all the proper holes for door handles and mechanisms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.